Hello students, myself Rishabh Kumar. I am an educator for this. I teach MAT, Oxford MAT, STEP examinations and various international curriculum like IB, A-Level, AP Stats. I am an alumnus of IIT Guwahati and the Indian Institute of Student. I am the founder for the Mathematics Elevate Academy. I am also the author for the Math by series and Mathematics Elevate series. Hope you have gone through my book Mastering Oxford MAT. Okay, so this book is basically to prepare for the mathematics admission test for the Oxford University. They conduct exam. I have written a as elite guidebook. So this guidebook doesn't have solutions to all the problems, but I published few of the solutions on my website Mathematics Elevate Academy. You can find there. There are draft solutions, and it was just for an early access. I am trying to write a book on this. Okay, as you know, it takes time. So as you know, tomorrow is your exam. Okay, exam is on 22nd and the 23rd of October. So I am just preparing this video so that you will be more confident in the exam. Whether you have gone through this book or any other preparations or any other educational or coaching agencies, or you have followed only the school curriculum. So if you're appearing for the exam, whatever the preparation you have to do, you already did. Okay, whatever the things you can revise. So there is no, you should not worry about what are left out. Okay, so be calm, be confident, give up your 100%, and that is the final thing that you can do right now with your exam. Okay, so be confident. Okay, whatever the things you know, okay, be confident about that. Okay, don't mess up your brain with various things. I'm teaching from more than 6 years, so I have seen a lot of students struggling with the last phase of examination, like last day or 3 day back or 1 week. They are just struggling with juggling with the various uh, types of insecurities in their brain. These things, I don't know this concept. I have doubt over this topic. So whatever the things left, you can't do much about that. Okay, if you feel like that, even it will worse your performance. Okay, so be confident. Okay, this video is short video is for you only. Okay, come to this. So you have almost 24 hours from now, almost 24 hours. Sorry for making the video late. Okay, I have a lot of things to do, so I'm a bit busy in that. Okay, so calm. I'm just writing the Oxford Elite Edition 2. So in this in the second edition, you can find all the resources like question, problem solutions, and all other things. Okay, it will be a revised edition of the last uh, earliest book. Okay, on the Oxford only. And you can also explore my various books on high school mathematics and a number of books I write. Okay, like Olympiad Maths, Olympiad Combinatorics. I have written there. I'm working on other books as well. So be confident, 100%. Okay, take a light review. Okay, don't mess up with a lot of things. Okay, if you have something to just have a formula sheet you want to review. Okay, like you want to just go through some formulas of the integrations, you can go through that. Okay, don't try to turn up all the chapters of the book or notebook which has around 1,000 pages. Okay, so you can go for around 2 3 4 pages that you can manage. Okay, so take a 10 a.m, try to go through the exam. Okay, don't mess up your, be confident. Okay, take a plenty of water. Okay, like we say now, calm mind is actually 110% extra marks, or say actually various students have different exposure with this. Okay, so be confident about your preparations, and like you already have gone through a number of like classes. Okay, maybe 10 12 years of study you already did. Okay, 10 12 of various examinations you already appeared in the past and performed good. So in this exam also, okay, it's not a big deal. Okay, if you are not confident, you're not calm, obviously it will reduce your performance. That is the worst thing. Okay, with your, okay, performance. So try to, so whenever you just feel take inhale, okay, for 4 seconds and hold for 7 seconds. So with this one, exhale for it will keep you calm. Okay? How to be calm. Going ahead, be confident. Say this now. I am prepared. I will score 70 plus. 70 plus 80 plus whatever the threshold you have put, or whatever the you have gone through the mock exams and mock papers, whatever. So that is the best thing you can do. Okay, clear permissions, solve step by step, so all workings, partial marks. Okay, as you know, 25 questions are MCQ, so you have to get the final correct answer. You have to just tick, and two questions are subjective type. So all the working step by step, and take care of them. Okay, if the questions are MCQs, try to go through each problem. Okay, whenever you have doubt over all the, you can use various method of option eliminations to eliminate the answers, and finally you have to mark the correct answer. Okay, there are various ways, as you have maybe gone through the number of practice papers and mock, and if you have gone through the rigorous preparation of the Oxford MAT or state examination, it will definitely help you. Okay, if you don't go through that, try to solve the problems on your own. Whatever the thing you find that this would be helpful for you. Okay, keep in mind your time zone and divide the time accordingly. For now also, you can also distribute in your mind how much time I will give to the MCQ part and for the subjective part. Okay, so there are various courses offered in Export University via this exam, as well as few other universities also accept this score, okay, in the UK. And obviously, if you have a good score, it will be a good SOP. You can apply to the other industries as well with the score. Okay, if you have a good score, you can obviously apply for the other US universities and other universities across the world. Handing the perfect paper. Okay, see, so try to take the light breakfast. Okay, take to don't take a oily food of which keep your body dehydrated. Okay, so keep hydrated. Take a plenty of water in the between the exams. And like if you call about myself, so actually I prefer to take the exam in my way is like, if I am appearing for exam, I just half hour, like suppose there is exam of 2 hours, so basically I will just focus for 1 hour, okay, then take just 2 minutes of rest and take water, hydrated, and just inhale, exhale the thing. Okay, for just for 2 minutes. What happened? This will just restore my again the sharp memory and try to visualize and again focus on the paper with 100% attention. By this way, I don't lose the 2 minutes only. Okay, by this way, I actually increase the efficiency a lot, which enables me to perform the top score. In my national exams, I have scored at various top ranks, okay, like uh, All India rank, two various ranks, nine various ranks, all have exams. Okay, you can see my test scores on my website, mathbyrishabh.com, or my academy website, or my LinkedIn. Okay, so the basis is that how you cope with the exams. Okay, how you keep your things calm, how you're confident. Okay, if your problem is taking a lot of time, okay, don't fight with those problems, because if all the problems carry equal marks, so your aim must be clear that you have to maximize your score. Okay, not to solve that problem. You will not win by solving a challenging problem. You will win by here you will win by just getting a highest marks, maximum marks you can score. Okay, a smart way is person who attempt the problem in an optimized way. Okay, so you don't have to fight with the problem. Okay, like if you don't able to solve, go ahead. Okay, and you can obviously come back. Okay, again if you have time. So read all the examination questions and try to focus on all the questions. It should not be the scenario that you have a left few minutes of very less time for few questions where you have to, maybe those questions are easy for you. Due to lack of time, you maybe not be able to do it properly, or incorrect, or unable to attempt. So be clear about that. So there are three deadly mistakes. Rushing without a plan. You should make a plan. That's why you have a lot of time also to make this plan as you are watching this video. or you may have already planned in during your mock or practice test for the MIT. Okay, how can I go with this? Okay. All the past papers and everything is uploaded on the website. You can find that, but there is no good scope to go through that in this last 5 minutes. Okay, there is no. This will also even keep your panic, and it will not be a good thing to go through that. Okay, so slow, steady, and so every step for the subjective problems and for the objective problems try to solve. Other thing that for getting the so steps, okay, you have to and panicking with the questions. Okay, like if you are don't know one of the questions, try to solve the question two. If out of that, if there are various sub parts, if you don't know, go for the other. Okay, try to solve. Okay. If you are again, if you have come back to the time, try to again attempt the problems. They will definitely able to perform good. Okay. So give everything tomorrow. Your 100%. Uh, uh, your 2.5 hours is very important. Okay, try to focus on all the problems, okay, on the objective problems. Try to be confident about the objective problems and subjective problems. Their objective problems are 25. You must have, like, every student have different needs for their and different practicing and different strength and weaknesses, so I cannot suggest what could be the best. Okay, I always say that if the exam is for 3 hour, okay, try to uh, prepare the mock for the 2.5 hour, or so that this way you have enough time for managing the attendance and the thing in the examination hall. And even if there is a lot of stress you take in pocket the things, so try to give a target less, half hour less than the actual timing, so that you have enough time to go back to those questions which are unattempted. Okay, so so every marks count, to try to go through them, and you must be go through the various resources. Okay. You will ace the MAT exam. Be confident. Okay. As you know, already I'm working on the your one more read guidebook for the Oxford MIT. The edition, new edition will come soon. Okay, with all the drawbacks or things not available in the last part. That was early access. It was very difficult to prepare for. Okay, these books are available on Amazon. Okay, Amazon you can find, or you can find a direct link on my website. Okay, you can mail me for this. If you are looking for a one-on-one session, you can always book on my website mathbyrishabh.com, or go through my website Mathematics Elevate Academy. That's my academy website. So from there you can also redirect to this website, and you can book lesson with me. Due to one-on-one session, a lot of sessions are booked with me, so it's a bit difficult for listening. So for that, to reach the wider audience, I write the book so that you will be more confident to clear the exam. This is all about the math. Okay, best of luck. Thank you. Bye.